It's a 2015 Lexus ES350. This ES350 is state-of-the-art in the art of the arrival. The crafted elegance and athletic performance give you a luxury sedan others won't soon forget. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual-zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.